In previous lesson, I have discussed about the concept of array. Today I will introduce you the concept of stack. So before going to the detail, I want to take an example. So we have a one glass container and we have 3 balls. Now we want to insert each ball one after another into this glass container. The first ball, the second ball and third ball. Then close the cap. Now if I want to take out the balls from this container, then tell me which order it will come out. It should be the last in first order. Why? Because this last ball will come out first and the first ball will come out last, and this is called stack, that is last in first order. So now I want to mention another thing, that each stack the one end is closed and another end is open. So now, and there must be a pointer which pointing to the last ball. Okay. So now I formally define that what is stack. Stack is a data structure where insertion and deletion are done from one end called top. So now I take another example to understand what is stack. I told you earlier this in stack that one end is closed, another is opened. Now so now I want to insert some character into this stack. Let us say A, B, C. So now, somebody will point that which is the last one in this stack. So that's why we are using a pointer called top. Initially top is 0 whenever A is inserted over here. Then top is incremented to 1, then B is inserted over there, and then lastly top is 2 when C is inserted into this stack. So now, this top is basically pointing to the top element of the stack, and I told you that is the one end is closed, another end is open, and whenever you want to delete this each element, it should come out as last in first out order. Now we come to some operations on stack. So there are 2 basic operations on the stack. One is called push, other is called pop. So let's take an example. So in push, what happens? Similar thing. The first ball is inserted, the second ball and the third ball, and whenever you have a pop the element, the last one will come first. This is the pop operation. I have explained earlier. This is pop and this is pop, right? Apart from that push and pop operation, there must be another operation that is called display, to display the elements into this stack. That means, so we want to display this element like this. Suppose we have A, B, C. So you want to display this A, B, C into the computer screen. There must be another operation is called display. So this is a bit of introduction of what is stack and how it is being used. So next day I will discuss the application of stack. Thank you for listening my lecture.